How to find your trade URL on Steam Mobile. The first things first is download the app via the Play Store and check for update. If there is one, you'll have to update it to the latest version. And then once you have the app, just simply log into your account and then let's head to it. Just access your Steam app. Now, once you're completely logged in, all you have to do is click on your image right here at the top right corner and tap View Profile. Scroll down, go to Inventory, and then you go ahead and tap Trade Offers. Now you will be able to see this three lines right here, three blue lines. Just press on that and press Who can send me trade offers. You scroll down a bit, and this is where you'll be able to find your trade URL. You'll just have to copy that URL and paste it to any person that you want to trade with. And then if you're done trading and you wanted a new URL, just press on create new URL. So that's how you find your trade URL on Steam Mobile.